everyone, welcome to CSAT Quantitative Aptitude Topic Wise Previous Year Question Series. We are in the permutation and combination chapter. In the last video, we have done few questions. We'll be completing that another questions of permutation and combination in this video, which are asked in the previous year questions. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I'm reminding you to subscribe to the channel if you are a new one to the channel. Like the video and share it with your friends who are in need of it. As prelims is nearing, this series will be really helpful to you. So get benefit out of these videos. So if you have not seen the previous episode, go to the playlist of CSAT Quantitative Aptitude in the Vaishai's YouTube channel. Watch the previous videos also. Okay, let's start today's video now. For a sports meet, a winner's stand comprising 3 wooden blocks is in the following form. So they have given a figure. There are 6 different colors available to choose from, and each of these wooden blocks is to be painted such that no two of them has the same color. In how many different ways can the winner's stand be painted? So there are 3 wooden blocks that are given, and they have given the 6 colors. Okay, we have to paint these 3 wooden blocks in such a way that no two wooden blocks will have the same color. Okay, 3 should have 3 different colors. So for the first block, there are 6 different chances for putting a color, for painting a color. So there are 6 different chances for the first block. So if you take the second block, already one color is painted for the first block, so only 5 colors will be remaining, so 5 chances will be there for the second block. And coming to the third block, already we painted first and the second blocks. Remaining colors are 4, so 4 different chances are there in order to paint the third block. So 6 into 5 into 4 is the total number of ways through which we can paint 3 wooden blocks with 6 different colors in such a way that no two blocks are of the same color. So 6 into 5 into 4, that is 6 5s plus into 4, so 120 is the answer for the question number 8. Question number 9. How many diagonals can be drawn by joining the vertices of an octagon? So for diagonals, for number of diagonals for anything like pentagon, hexagon, something also, you have one formula, that is you need to just do NC2 minus n. But if they have asked how many lines can be drawn in the octagon or something like that, you don't need to do minus n, because minus n represents the sides. Okay, for the diagonals we don't need the sides count, so we are subtracting the sides count. So we will get the diagonals only, but if you want sides, don't subtract the n, only do NC2. Okay, now let's do the sum. NC2 minus n, that is 8C2 minus 8. 8C2 is nothing but 8 into 7 by 1 into 2. Okay, minus 8. 2 4s 8, 7 4s 28. 28 minus 8, that is 20 is the answer for the question number 9. 20 number of diagonals can be drawn by joining the vertices of an octagon. Question number 10. A bag contains 15 red balls and 20 black balls. Each ball is numbered either 1 or 2 or 3. 20% of the red balls are numbered 1 and 40% of them are numbered 3. Similarly, among the black balls, 45% are numbered 2 and 30% are numbered 3. A boy picks a ball at random. He wins if the ball is red and numbered 3, or if it is black and numbered 1 or 2. What are the chances of winning? Okay, let's write the data initially. They have given that there are 15 red balls, okay, and 20 black balls. 15 red balls and 20 black balls. In this they have given that we have to get, they have numbered 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's see how many numbered 1 are there, number 2 are there, number 3 are there. So for the 15 red balls, 40%, they have given 20% of the red balls are numbered 1. 20% of 15 is nothing but 3. 3 are numbered 1. Okay, 40% of them are numbered 3. So 40% of 15 is nothing but 6. 6 are numbered 3. So after counting 6 and 3, how many are remaining still out of 15? 6 are remaining, so 6 are numbered 2. Coming to the 20 black balls, they have given 45% are numbered 2. So 45% of 20 is nothing but 9. And 30% are numbered 3. 30% of 20 is 6. So 6 are numbered 3. The remaining is 5. So 5 are numbered, 5 black balls are numbered 1. So they have given he will win if the ball is red and numbered 3. Okay. And if the ball is black and numbered 1 or 2, so if you take the how many number of chances are there, ball is red and numbered 3 is 6 chances are there, so 6 total. And coming to black, numbered 1 or 2, so 5 plus 9, so total number of chances are 11 plus 9, that is 20. So there are 20 favorable chances. By total number of chances are total number of balls are 35, so 20 by 35 is the probability. So if you 5 4s 20, 5 7 35, so probability of the picking up the he to be winning is 4 by 7. So 4 by 7, that is option B is correct for the question number 3. Coming to question number 11, the number of parallelograms that can be formed from a set of 4 parallel lines intersecting another set of 4 parallel lines is. So they have given there are 4 parallel lines intersecting other 4 parallel lines, right? So in this if you see, 1 second, let me take the another color. So this can be forming a parallelogram, and this can be forming a parallelogram, and this can also be forming the parallelogram, and separately this box, and total like this. There can be a number of chances of forming the parallelogram. So but for forming a parallelogram, what we need, two vertical lines and two horizontal lines, right? So we have to pick up two vertical lines from the 4 parallel lines which are in the horizontal nature, two from the vertical in nature. Okay, if you do that sums, it will become, so we have picking up, we are picking up 2 lines from the 4 and other 2 lines from the other 4 parallel lines. So total number of things are total number of parallelograms which can be formed are 4c2 into 4c2, that is nothing but 4 into 3, 1 into 2, in same way 4 into 3 and 1 into 2. If you calculate, 2 2s 4, 2 2s 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s 36. So 36 is the answer for the question number 11. Question number 12. Each face of a cube can be painted in black or white colors. In how many different ways can the cube be painted? So number of sides of the cube is 6, right? Okay, there are 6 sides in the cube. So each face have a chance of painting either black or red. So let's take, there are 6 sides. Okay, each side have 2 chances, right? This can be either painted black or it can be painted white. In the same way, this also. So each of them has 2 chances of painting. So total number of chances are 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 2 is 12. So 12 is the answer for this question. Question number 12, answer D is correct, that is answer is 12. So this is the last question which we are discussing from the previous year questions of permutation and commutations. How many different 5-letter words with or without meaning can be constructed using all the letters of the word Delhi, so that each word has to start with D and end with I? So let's take the Delhi word. So Delhi word contains 5 letters, right? So let's draw the blanks. Okay, they have given the condition that it should start with D and end should end with I. And there are 3 other letters, they are E and L and H. So these 3 letters should be fitted in this 3 blanks. Okay. So these 3 letters, that is E, L, H, should be fitted in this 3 blanks. So if you do this sum, so for the first blank there are 3 chances, right? Either E can be fitted, either L can be, either H can be fitted. So there are 3 chances for the first box. Coming to the second box, already 1 letter is fixed for the first blank. So there are only 2 chances for the second block. And for the third block, there will be only 1 chance, because already 2 letters are fixed in the first and the second blank. So there is only 1 chance for the third blank. That is, total number of chances can be 3 into 2 into 1, that is 3 factorial, that is 6 is the answer. Okay, 6 is the answer for question number 13. That is the last question of the permutation and combinations. So we are done with the today's video. So Vaish team has started the batch 2 of the mock test series. So if you want to join, contact the team and be a one who gets benefit every year. So keep smiling and take care. Bye bye.